5 outdoor camping hacks that every camper should know. InstantAcres.com. Having a hand washing station out at your campsite can be a real lifesaver. You can create your own with an empty laundry detergent dispenser and just a bucket and a little soap. Upcycle large pill bottles and transform them into a small first aid kit. Fill them with a few basics like alcohol pads, band-aids, antibiotic ointment, and cotton balls, and you've got a handy little lifesaver out on the trail. If you plan on going on long hikes in unfamiliar areas, keep yourself safe and the environment safe by using biodegradable trail marking tape. You can find this tape at most stores that sell camp supplies, and it's a great way to ensure that you don't get turned around on your hike and lose your way. It's also a great way to keep the woods and all nature safe from chemicals and litter. Pop-up tents can be convenient, but they oftentimes have a bad habit of closing in on themselves. This can be prevented with a simple trick and a pool noodle. This hack not only prevents the tent from collapsing in, but it gives it a little extra stability, but it also prevents pooling of water on the top of the tent. Muddy shoes and clothes on a camping trip is a common headache. Shower caps are a great way to protect and contain those muddy items. A little bit of elastic creates a makeshift closure that will keep all the mud and net wetness within the plastic, ensuring your other belongings remain clean. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe. Keep watching all of our other videos. Check us out on social media along with YouTube. We have Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to check us out at InstantAcres.com.